home. I'm Dave.
I'm Matt.
I'm Matt.
And today we're going to show you a few how-tos with your new home. The majority of our apartments have programmable thermostats. To ensure it's working correctly, you want to make sure it says hold on the display. If it does not, press the hold button and you're good to go. In the event you lose power to a portion of your home, located in your laundry room is your breaker panel. Open the door and on the inside is a label. Use the label to find the trip breaker. To correctly reset it, go all the way off and back on, and you're good to go.
Upon move-in, you will receive one of these valet trash bins.
And on Sunday through Thursday, you're going to take your sealed bag, put it in your bin, and set it outside the door between the hours of 6 and 8.
If you have a situation where part of your outlet is working and the other part is not, it is controlled by a switch.
This is your water valve on. In the event you need to shut it off, turn a quarter turn clockwise, and voila! Here we are on one of our entryways. If you have a guest over, they can locate your last name through the call box alphabetically, and then hit the call button. It'll dial their phone, and they can hit 9 to answer and let you in. Upon move-in, depending on if you have a garage or not, you're going to receive one of these two types of fobs. This one controls the garage and the entry door. You hit the button to open the garage door and simply tap on the panel to unlock the front door.
Now that we've covered a few how-tos, if you have any routine maintenance issues, please contact us at.
Or you can submit a maintenance request in our resident portal 24/7.
For after-hour emergencies, use this number. Thank you so much for choosing Savoy. If you have any issues, we'll be happy to help.